give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along.
Oh, that sucked. I went out to help. Boy, did I open the door at the wrong time. That sucked. It is cold here in Lake Hills, Texas. I hope you're all staying warm. This is ridiculous. It is going to be a high of 28 degrees here today. It was 80 the day I showed up. I think I'm cursed this year. 2 transmissions in a year. Every time I turn around something. And now this. I just may be cursed this year. Not happy. I need me some warm weather.